So it's time to check on the egg situation. Here's the egg box right here. There's my chickies over there. They're all scrambling. Yes, we know you don't want to be bothered, do you? No, you don't. But I think your sister's the one that makes more noise than you. Or is it you, huh? How you doing there? Don't bite me. I know you're not happy with me taking your eggs. I know it. I know you don't like it at all. Okay. Hi. You're the nicer one. Yes, you are. I'm still going to take your eggs, though. Oh, you're going to peck at me? Oh, you're so mean. Yes, you are. All that for just one little egg. But you worked really hard for that, didn't you? Hi there, sweetie. You're a good girl. Oh, you're going to peck at me, too. Are you going to try? Well, you're going to get me? You're sitting on cold eggs. Give me a break. Okay. Oh my. Oh my. Sweet girl. Yes, I know. You're still upset, aren't you? Aren't you? That's a mad chicken. You got any more? You hiding? Alright. You guys are fine. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 eggs. There's one poopy one over there. You guys doing? You're supposed to be laying me a nice clean eggs. I see ya. I'm gonna do a Lucille ball and put all the eggs in my pocket. Yep. I broke one the other day doing that. It was funny.